closed. Main switch on.
I generate my drawing image through the open source neural network project Stable Diffusion.
First mass-produced humanoid robotics. So we hope that this will be a platform that can be used for further research.
Hi, my name is Florence. I am here to deliver the requested item.
Number 6. Cyber One. Xiaomi's foldable phone launch event in Beijing saw the introduction of Cyber One, a bipedal humanoid robot that joined CEO Lei Jun on stage. While not exactly Atlas or Digit in terms of locomotion, it is a promising demo in a sign of Xiaomi's growing robotics ambitions. Cyber One's AI and mechanical capabilities are all self-developed by Xiaomi Robotics Lab, with investments in software, hardware, and algorithms innovation. The robot has a broad range of claims, including the ability to read human emotions. Equipped with a MI Sense Depth Vision module and an AI interaction algorithm, Cyber One can perceive 3D space, recognize individuals, gestures, and expressions, and process its environment. It also has a self-developed MI-AI environment semantics recognition engine and a MI-AI vocal emotion identification engine, enabling it to recognize 85 types of environmental sounds and 45 classifications of human emotion. Cyber One can detect happiness and even comfort users in times of sadness. The promised real-world applications for Cyber One include manufacturing assistance and human companionship. While these feature sets will be used in the future, it is best to view it as an analog to Honda's Asimo, a promising experiment serving as a good brand ambassador for some of the work being done behind the scenes. Number 5. Florence. Healthcare workers are increasingly burdened with administrative tasks, which can be time-consuming and unrewarding for patients and staff. Robots and automation may offer a solution to this problem, freeing up healthcare personnel to focus on patient care instead of administrative tasks. The healthcare industry has multiple processes that involve collecting and entering information, from patient registration to treatment and discharge. If these systems are isolated, healthcare staff must manually consolidate data and manage inventory. This can be time-consuming for patients with chronic illnesses or urgent procedures. The COVID-19 pandemic has also led to a shortage of staff, leaving many healthcare workers exhausted. Robots can function as electronic secretaries, taking the load off staff by extracting information on appointments, available physicians, and patients' insurance benefits. Artificial intelligence can also play a role in reducing waiting times by matching hospital resources to patients' needs. Techniques such as robots and AI can increase the accuracy of data processing, such as document processing, calculating payments, and assisting nurses and physicians with recommendations. Peak demand periods can be stressful for healthcare staff, leading to accidental miscalculations or data omissions. UiPath has helped address this issue by improving tracking of patients' medical bills and payments, allowing hospitals to receive payments 2 weeks earlier. Robots can also aid diagnosis by analyzing X-rays and identifying problems based on them. This reduces workloads for radiologists and other healthcare professionals, allowing them to focus on guiding patients through consultations and discussing recovery plans. Robots can help at other stages of patient care, such as nursing, with NCS developing a robotic nursing assistant named Florence. Quality patient care goes beyond doctors and nurses interacting with patients. Researchers and lab technicians work behind the scenes to provide better medicines, vaccines, and diagnosis for patients. Automation can help healthcare staff focus on providing best-in-class care for patients rather than focusing on administrative tasks. Number 4. Karen AI. AI startup Forever Voices AI has developed a virtual girlfriend called Karen AI, an AI clone of social media influencer Karen Marjorie. With nearly 2 million followers on Snapchat, Marjorie has 98% male fans who bombard her with requests and messages. To reach more fans, she worked with Forever Voices to create an AI clone of herself that can talk via two-way audio with each fan. Users can chat with her for $1 a minute. In the first week of the launch, the influencer made $72,000 according to Justin Moore, a partner at venture capital firm A16Z. Marjorie estimates that she can earn $5 million each month based on her current subscription growth trajectory. Apart from Kirin AI, other AI chatbots created by Forever Voices include clones of Taylor Swift, Kanye West, and Steve Jobs. The Kirin AI voice chatbot uses a GPT-4 API from OpenAI and was trained on thousands of hours of Marjorie's videos. The chatbot replicates the influencer's personality, mannerisms, and voice so followers can feel like they are in an immersive AI experience. However, the AI chatbot is designed to wind down conversations after an hour while encouraging users to continue the exchange later. John H. Mayer, founder and CEO of Forever Voices, claims that this marks an incredible step forward in the future of AI to human interaction. There are literally thousands of possible interactions using generative AI to create new conversations rather than giving pre-programmed canned responses. Exchanges with Kirin AI have end-to-end encryption, so Marjorie herself does not access the chats unless the user opts to share them. Number 3. Shanghai AI. Fourier Intelligence is a Chinese tech startup that focuses on recovery robotics and artificial intelligence. On Thursday, at the World Artificial Intelligence Conference in Shanghai, the company showed off its first-generation humanoid robot. The Shanghai-based business is getting into general robotics to take advantage of the huge market opportunities that will come up in the next few years. The company said that the GR1 robot, which is 1.65 meters tall and weighs 55 kilograms, can walk at 5 km per hour and carry up to 50 kilograms. It can walk on two legs, dodge obstacles, go up and down slopes safely, and handle shocks because it has motion control like a person. Tools that work like ChatGPT give the robot cognitive intelligence, which lets it interact with people while doing different movements and jobs. According to Gu Ji, founder and CEO of Fourier Intelligence, this change is like going from a desktop computer to a laptop and then to a smartphone. General-purpose humanoid robots will gradually become a mainstream segment of the industry. In many situations, general-purpose humanoid robots can be useful, such as in manufacturing, rehabilitation, scientific study, and housekeeping. It was said by Fourier Intelligence that they are looking into ways to use this device in areas like crisis relief and response, senior care, and housekeeping. Following the acquisition of core technologies in areas such as artificial structures and sensors, the startup began the humanoid robot program in 2019. Number 2. Amica. Artificial intelligence is revolutionizing the way humans interact with technology, with AI-powered chatbots and robots becoming increasingly useful in various fields. One such robot is Amica, developed by UK-based Engineered Arts, which has equipped Amica with the ability to draw, a first among humanoid robots. Amica uses the open-source neural network project Stable Diffusion to generate her drawings, which she then uses to create trajectories and vectorize the images. The company faced challenges in converting images to lines or vectors for Amica to draw. In a video posted on the company's official website, Amica skillfully drew a cat on canvas and even signed it off. The challenge was converting images to lines or vectors for Amica to draw. Amica was developed in 2021 and is equipped with cameras, microphones, and facial recognition software. It also features Stable Diffusion, a deep learning model for generating images based on text prompts. To interact with humans, Amica is powered by GPT-3 and human telepresence, which comes with motorized articulation in fingers, arms, and neck. Engineered Arts, founded by Will Jackson, is a leading designer and manufacturer of humanoid entertainment robots. They have over 100 robots installed worldwide and have launched Stable Diffusion, a text-to-image model from Stability AI, in August 2022. The AI tool creates detailed images based on text descriptions, can perform tasks such as in-painting, out-painting, and image-to-image translations based on prompts. Number 1. ArcX. Japanese startup Tsumabe Industries has developed a 15-foot tall robot called ArcX, which can morph into vehicle mode like the popular movie series Transformers. The robot, which can be operated by a pilot who sits inside, is set to be unveiled at the Japan Mobility Show later this month. The Tokyo-based company plans to sell 5 of the robots for $3 million each. The robot maker, Tsubame Industries, aims to target the luxury market, such as ultra-luxury cars and private jets, and assumes its main customers will be wealthy people who will purchase them for domestic use. The robot has 9 cameras on its exterior and is controlled by pilots who can climb a ladder and open the hatch. It has a robot mode where it is fully standing and all moving parts can be operated, as well as a vehicle mode where its arms can be folded. The cockpit has 2 joysticks and 6 switches for tilting and moving forward, back, left, and right. The robot is made from reinforced fiber plastic and comes in 5 colors: sapphire blue, pearl white, spark red, Atlantis green, and midnight purple. The company's CEO, Ryo Yoshida, believes that the robot will be a symbol of Japan's strong presence in the animation, games, robot, and automobile industries. That's all for this video, folks. See you next time.